Hi, welcome to a2zknowledge.com. So today we are going to discuss about Python tuples. Before getting into the practical, I've just give you an one-liner definition of what is tuples. So tuples are like a sequence of objects which is immutable. Okay, means you can't change the objects and the position in the tuples. So let's jump into the practical stuff. And if you see here I'm having a sequence of tuples and assigned to a variable a, and if and I'm using this braces, and if it is list you have to use the square braces actually. So this is tuple and I'm just printing the position, and you can use the index range of fetching the elements also, and then you can use negative values to fetch the data from the last. So all the kind of operations, quicker operations what you do in list you can do in tuple. So here I'm just going to get the value. Okay, so this prints the first element. It starts from 0. So my name is 0 and my location is 1, and then my email ID is position 2. So I'm just printing 1. I'm just getting the output as India. Now, whenever you get into the tuples, right, the topic, people used to get a question in the mind. So what is the difference between list and tuples? Okay, so if you see, mainly whenever people used to have this question, and one of the difference between always people used to say is, so in tuple you can have different data types of values and in list you can't. So that is not true. With respect to Python, it is possible both in list and tuples. You can have different data types values. Like for example, this can be string, first element, element can be a double, and then the third element can be integer. So you can have different data types both in list and tuple. But the main difference is, as I told you, the word immutable. So in list, list is completely mutable. You can change the position of the elements after. So you can insert something in beginning, or you can insert something in middle. You can delete something in last, and you can delete something in first. So you can do all these kind of an operations, and you can change the existing list values. But in tuple, you cannot change the existing values in the tuples orders, or you cannot insert something in between, or like that. So your tuples are completely and immutable. So what I'm going to do is, so if you see here, I'm just changing India to US, and then I'm doing a print. Okay, let me run this code. Okay, if you see here, India, it says the first print statement, so that has got executed well. And the second operation, what I'm doing is I'm trying to change the position 1 from India to US. So this will be get executed in list, but not in tuple. So now the problem we are getting is tuple object does not support item assignment. So you cannot assign anything to it. So imagine if you have an list which is gonna be the values in the list is gonna be an immutable. If you think so, you can go ahead for tuples. Okay, or else you can still go ahead with the list. Okay, so here the difference between tuple and list, I've just explained you only one difference between, but we actually have so many difference between tuples and list. I'm going to make a separate theoretical video for it, and it will be in my playlist. You can go ahead and check. So this video agenda is just to give you a difference between, first of all, what is tuple, and then the difference between list and tuples. So so the agenda of video is completed. So thanks for watching a2zknowledge.com. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, forward this to your friends and colleagues. We do videos in two languages, English and Tamil, and we have a lot of other tech videos as well, not only Python. And if you want to get complete Python videos, and the playlist link is already provided in the description box. And I have given my LinkedIn and Instagram URL also in the description box. If you want to follow me, please follow me and contact through that. Thanks for watching.